Take a look at this. I'm running an OpenClaw agent for free, locally, on my Android phone. Yes, you heard that correctly. I'm using Olama inside my OpenClaw agent. Since Olama provides free local LLMs, it can now be directly connected with OpenClaw agents. As you can see on the screen, I'm running the OpenClaw agent completely free, with no usage limits. I can use it as much as I want. There are no API limits to interrupt the workflow, and I don't have to pay anyone. I've connected my OpenClaw agent with WhatsApp, and it's running entirely free on my Android phone without any issues. As you can see in the background on the secondary phone, it's replying to messages automatically. The agent can fully control my phone. I can assign it any task I want. For example, I asked it to set a reminder to drink water, and it did that perfectly. It can set alarms, access my phone camera, take screenshots, and much more. It can also fully manage my WhatsApp because it's connected directly to my account. If I ask it to reply to someone, it responds instantly and accurately. And the best part is, you can do this too, very easily. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to run your own OpenClaw agent locally on your phone, completely free. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. To run OpenClaw for free on your phone, first open the Chrome browser on your device and search for Olama. From the search results, open the official Olama website. On the website, tap the three-line menu icon. Now, tap the Sign In button and log in using your preferred Google account. After signing in, open the repository. I've added the link in the description for easy access. If you haven't installed this before, I recommend watching my previous video. I explain how to install everything easily by running just a few commands. Now, let's continue with this video. Copy the Olama installation command. Paste it directly into Termux and press Enter. After that, return to the repository and copy the Olama serve command. Paste it into Termux and press Enter. Once the process completes, start a new Termux session by tapping the three-dot menu. Then, copy the Olama pull command, paste it into the new session and press Enter. After the model is successfully pulled, go back to the repository and copy the run command. Paste it into Termux and press Enter. At this point, you may receive a link to connect with Olama. If a link is provided, copy it, paste it into Chrome, and open it. In my case, no link appears because my Olama model is already running. Just make sure your model is running correctly before proceeding. Next, start another new Termux session and copy the OpenClaw installation command from the repository. Now, log into Ubuntu, which we installed in the previous video, by typing prut-distro login Ubuntu. Once you're logged into Ubuntu, paste the copied command and press Enter. This step may take some time, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee. Now it's time to start the onboarding process using Olama. Copy the onboarding command and paste it directly into Termux, then press Enter. When the setup starts, use the arrow keys to select Yes and press Enter. Press Enter again to proceed with the quick start. Here, I select Update Values to begin with a fresh configuration. Now, skip the model selection step since we'll be using free Olama models. Next, select All Providers. As you can see, it detects the GLM Olama model that we started earlier, so select it. Now I'm selecting WhatsApp, but you can choose other integrations if you prefer. Press Enter to continue. Select the option indicating this is your personal phone number. Enter your WhatsApp phone number here. Select Yes to confirm. Now choose the skills you want to assign to the agent. Select No for all remaining options. Finally, add hooks if you want, and wait for the process to complete. And that's it. The onboarding process has completed successfully. After that, start a new session again and log into Ubuntu once more. Once logged in, copy the command to launch OpenClaw with Ollama using the configuration file. Paste it into Termux and press Enter. You'll now be asked which model you want to use. I'm selecting GLM, but you can also choose other models like Kimi. Press Enter to continue. Press Enter once again, and finally, OpenClaw launches successfully. Now, go back to the repository and copy the dashboard URL. Paste this URL into the Chrome browser, and your agent is ready to work for you. You're now running OpenClaw locally on your phone, completely free. If you run into any errors, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out.